Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, it's the end of February. Well, really it's March. Now everybody should have gotten the thing that we have all been waiting for since 2018 began. Bitch, our taxes. We want our taxes back. But this is a celebration for everybody because it doesn't matter. Y'all got your taxes back, whether you want it to be responsible and put money in your car note, or you want to pay them student loans off, or if you want it to be, a little bit on the irresponsible side and buy like $400, whatever you did with your money, bitch. It's okay because we're gonna be doing a green inspired look today. So I have been getting a lot of requests to do my eyebrows on here, and I always do my eyebrows off because it can be a complete and utter disaster. So the first thing that I use for my eyebrow is I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the color Ebony. And don't judge my brush, but this brush, and it's broken, I got from like the beauty supply store, and it had a little spoolie on the end, but it was cheap, so it broke off. But this brush, let me see if I can get y'all close. This brush is like, it's perfect for me anyway. And what I'm doing is I'm going under the brow. And it's okay if it's messy because you can go back and clean it up with some concealer. So we're gonna go under the brow. And then we're gonna go over the brow. But when we go over the brow, we're not gonna start directly in the front. We're gonna start about a ½ an inch back. Now, if you want your brows to be thicker, which sometimes I like mine on the thicker side, you can always go above that initial line a little bit and then just do the same arch. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this one is in the color C13. I'm going to use my favorite concealer brush, and I want you guys to see what this looks like. It's just a flat brush, but I use it if I want to sharpen up my wing. I use it to do my brows. Like, this brush is awesome, and I think it was on Amazon for like a couple bucks. This one you kind of got to be careful because you can chop your eyebrow off, because I have done that plenty of times. So after the eyebrow process is done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my favorite, my LA Pro Girl concealer, and it is in the color Light Ivory. It's as a base. And I like to put kind of a lot. That way all the products are visible on my eye, because when you have darker skin, like I said, it is a little bit harder to get those colors to pop. So we have to use something extremely light. I'm gonna take some of my Revolution Luxury baking powder, and it's in the color Terracotta. So now I'm not going to use a wing liner, but I want my eyeshadows to be extremely neat. So I'm going to be using some tape. And this is a good trick if you're not, too great at eyeliner yet. You can always use this trick to help you. We're just going to put the tape right there. So now I'm going to go into the only palette that I have that has green in it, or Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And the first color that I'm gonna go in with is this lime green right here. Now that we've done the lime green color, I'm going to go in with this green shade right here. We're gonna go right under it. Not necessarily in our crease, but we're going under that lime green. And then I'm going to go into an even darker green, and I'm going to use this green right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a little bit of this black color right here. So for glitter primer today, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer, and that is how it looks. So I have this beautiful glitter, looks like this, and it's this beautiful green color, and this color is called Money, y'all. We got our income taxes back, we get into that money. And if you guys go to glfcosmetics.com, whenever you're done with your shopping, go to the discount code bar and type in Monet15, and you guys can get 15% off of your purchase. And I suggest you do it. I really do, because these glitters, like, I don't want to spill it, but look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. Can we just take a moment of silence? And they come in so many ranges, so many shades. I'm going to be using the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. This is my favorite mascara, y'all. And the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Oh, y'all. Oh my God. My skin feels so soft, y'all. So now I have my e.l.f. brush, and this is my favorite e.l.f. brush. I used to use this for foundation all the time, and then I just kind of got into my Real Technique beauty blenders. So we're going to do half with a brush and half with a beauty blender, just to see how that works out. And I am going to spray my brush. I'm going to be using MAC Fix Plus to spray my brush. I'm actually not mad at how it looks with the brush. Go over to my beauty blender and try it. I love my beauty blender, but it soaks up so much product. Okay, now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I am in the color C13. I'm going to use my ULTA contour kit, And I'm going to use the colors Golden Bronzer and Goddess Bronzer, which are these two colors. And I'm going to use them to do a little contour. Nothing too deep, but you can definitely see it. And I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set that. And I am using the color Deep. This is a damp beauty blender. I am going to be using some setting spray to bring some moisture back to my face. And then I'm going to use my ANGLOWLA highlighter, and this is by the Crayon Case. The glitter on my eyes is by GLF Cosmetics, and they have the most beautiful glitters. Just beautiful. So if you guys want to get your hands on these, just go to glfcosmetics.com, and once you finish doing your shopping, make sure you put my discount code in the code bar, and that is Monet15, and you will automatically save 15% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.